Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Electronics for You. In this video, we will see instrumentation amplifier using one op amp. But along with that, we will see the definition, need and types of instrumentation amplifier. So our main focus will be on instrumentation amplifier using single op amp. Definition of instrumentation amplifier. So basically an instrumentation amplifier is a difference amplifier. Difference amplifier means circuit called as subtractor which meets certain requirements. It is a type of signal conditioner. Now the question will come, what is signal conditioner? So definitely a circuit which will perform signal conditioning operation is called signal conditioner. Now signal conditioner may perform following operations such as amplification, attenuation, integration, differentiation, addition or subtraction. Along with that, it can also perform modulation, demodulation, sampling, filtering, clipping, clamping, squaring and multiplication, etc. There are two types of signal conditioning, that is DC signal conditioning and AC signal conditioning. So uh, an instrumentation amplifier can perform signal conditioning operations. So what is the need of instrumentation amplifier? So basically in many industries and consumer applications, the measurement and control of the physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, speed, etc. is required. Now to use it in electronics or electrical, a transducer is used which converts the physical quantities, these physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, into an electrical signal. Electrical signals are in the form of voltages and currents. So we can say, for example, a thermocouple converts temperature into electrical signal, or a piezoelectric transducer converts the pressure into electrical signal. So basically these electrical signals are generated using transducer, but these are too weak to amplify. Now these signals need to be amplified, or may some operations like filtering, addition, subtraction, integration, differentiation can be performed on these electrical signals. So for this, instrumentation amplifier is used. Now types of instrumentation amplifier. Depending on the number of op amps used, instrumentation amplifiers are having following types. The first one is instrumentation amplifier using one op amp, then instrumentation amplifier using two op amp, and instrumentation amplifier using three op amps. Our main topic is instrumentation amplifier using one op amp. So it is basically a difference amplifier that we have already said that it is an instrumentation amplifier is basically a difference amplifier. So using one op amp, this circuit is of IA using one op amp. Now this circuit is same as the subtractor circuit, and we have already seen the derivation for the output voltage in our one video which is about the difference amplifier. You can click here and watch that video for the output expression. If we assume R1 equals to R2, these two resistances, you can name it as per your wish, and these two resistances, if these two resistances are equal, then the output voltage VO is equals to Rf upon R1 times V1 minus V2. Here V1 is the voltage at the non-inverting terminal and V2 is the voltage at inverting terminal. For derivation, you can refer the link in the description, or you can click here. Here, note that the imbalance factor epsilon will be minimized if the condition Rf upon R1 equals R3 upon R2. Here we have already seen that this is the amplification factor Rf upon R1, and if Rf is equals to R3 and R1 is equals to R2, then only this condition will then the imbalance factor epsilon will be minimized. If this ratio is not same, the circuit will be imbalanced, and therefore it will not work as a true difference amplifier. Therefore this condition must be satisfied for the difference amplifier. Now what will happen if you want to vary the gain of, gain means this factor, definitely Rf upon R1 in this case, in case of instrumentation amplifier. So definitely, as we have said, that this factor should be minimized if Rf upon R1 equals to R3 upon R2, and therefore just by varying this R1 or R2, it is not possible to vary the gain of op amp, and therefore the improved circuit will be like this. If you want for the variable gain, the circuit will be like this, and the output voltage will be given by VO is equals to 2 times R2 upon R1. Here R2 are all these resistances. It is 2 times R2 upon R1 times 1 plus R2 upon Rp multiplied by V1 minus V2. So here if you vary this Rp, that is the variable gain, here you can adjust the gain, and therefore you can adjust the output voltage. Thank you. For the in next video we will see the instrumentation amplifier using 2 op amps.